Good morning, students. Today we will do miscellaneous exercise of chapter first. So let we have a quick review which of the questions are deleted. In miscellaneous exercise, we have deleted question 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 18 and 19. Basically the questions related to binary operations, composition of functions, inverse of function. So those questions which are having these terms, they are deleted. Now the first question is, show that the function f from R to this x belongs to R to this set. Now set is x belongs to R, x lies between -1 and 1, defined by fx is x upon 1 plus mod x, where x belongs to R is 1 1 and on 2. It is both 1 1 and on 2. Let me check. Fx is given x upon 1 plus mod of x, 1 plus mod of x. Now fx is equal to f of y. For 1 1 we have to take and let fx is equal to fy. Fx means x upon 1 plus mod x and fy means 1 upon y upon 1 plus mod y. Now there are 4 cases arises. That first is if x is greater than 0, मतलब x तो पॉजिटिव है और y जो है वो नेगेटिव है. अगर x पॉजिटिव है y नेगेटिव है, then it is x upon 1 plus x, y upon 1 plus y, or you can say y is negative, so it is minus. So when you cross multiply and calculate this will come as 2xy is equal to minus x minus y. As x is greater than y, so x minus y is greater than 0. And 2xy हमने लिया है 2xy is less than 0 because इसमें से एक माइनस है. If y is minus, this term will be negative. So this can never be equal to this. Hence x is equal to 0 and y less than 0, this case will be ruled out. Similarly, if you take x is negative, y is positive, same situation arises. So this case also ruled out. Now, दो cases कौन से बचे? X and y either both are positive or negative. First case, when x and y both are positive, then we have fx is equal to fy, x upon 1 plus x, y upon 1 plus y. When you calculate this, it will come x is equal to y. So that is our 1 1 condition. If fx is equal to fy, then x is equal to y, function is 1 1. The second case is when x and y both are negative. If they both are negative, you may put the values and again you can calculate. You will find that x is equal to y. So f is again 1 1. Means fx is equal to fy implies x is equal to y, then f is 1 1. Let me check on 2. If y is negative, then x is equal to y upon 1 plus y belongs to R, such that fx is f of, substitute this value of x, तो ये बन जाएगा y upon 1 plus y over 1 minus y upon 1 plus y mod. So this is y upon 1 plus 2y. If y is positive, then there exists x such that fx is y upon 1 minus y. Again you may put these values and calculate, it will be y. Hence the function is on 2. So clearly the function given us is 1 1 as well as on 2. After question number 4, we have question number 5. Show that function f r to r given by fx is equal to x cube is injective. Injective means 1 1. So given function is fx is equal to x cube, fx is equal to fy, ये सपोज करते हैं. It means x cube, fy means y cube, taking cube root x is equal to y, means fx is equal to fy implies x is equal to y, so their f is injective or 1 1. Then question number 8 is, we are given a non-empty set x. Consider Px, which is the set of all subset of x. Define a relation R in Px as follows. For subsets A, B in Px, A or B, A is related to B if and only if A is subset of B. Then we have to show that R is equivalence relation. Now, as we know that every set is subset of itself. So therefore A or A means A belongs to Px. A दोनों आ गए R में. So therefore R is reflexive. Now A or B में A is subset of B. So B is not a subset of A. So R is not symmetric. A or B must implies B or A. If A is a subset of B, then B is not the subset of A. Further, third case, if A or B, A is related to B and B is related to C and A is a subset of B and B is a subset of C, this must implies that A is subset of C. Hence, R is transitive, but it is not equivalence because it is not symmetric. This implies A or C, so therefore R is transitive. So therefore R is not equivalence relation because it is not symmetric. It is reflexive, it is transitive, but not symmetric. Then question number 10, find the number of all onto function from 1 to n itself. 1 to n तक अगर नंबर ले रहे हैं, all numbers of onto function from 1 to n to itself is the same. So therefore the permutation or the number will be their permutations and it will be given by n factorial symbol. Question number 15 is, if A is minus 1 0 1 2, B is minus 4 minus 2 0 and 2 and f and g are functions from A to B and functions defined by fx is x square minus x, where x is from A, gx is 2x minus half mod minus 1, where x is from A. We have to prove that f and g are equal. Justify your answer. Now let me check. It is given that A is equal to minus 1 0 1 and 2 and B is given minus 4 minus 2 0 and 2. F and G are function from A to B defined by this and this. So now we will calculate f of minus 1. x जो है वो A में से है तो minus 1 पुट किया, पॉलिनोमियल है, minus 1 पुट किया 2 आ गया, 0 पुट किया 0 आ गया, 1 पुट किया 0, 2 पुट किया 2. Similarly we will put g of minus 1. G के लिए भी जो x है एंट्रीज हैं वो A में से ही है. G of minus 1 2 आ गया, G of 0 भी 0 आ गया, G of 1 भी 0 आ गया, G of 2 भी 2 आ गया. It means these values they are equal. So if you calculate, you will find that f and g are equal functions. So g of f of minus 1, f of minus 1 g of minus 1 के बराबर है. इसी कैलकुलेशन को लिखा है दोबारा. f of g, f of 0 g of 0, f of 1 g of 1, f of 2 g of 2, f of a in general, f of a for all a belongs to a. So therefore the functions are f and g are equal. Then come to question number 16. You are given a set A 1 2 3, number of relation 1 2 1 3 containing which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So let me check and then find the option. Question is given set is 1 2 3. We consider a relation R 1 2 1 3 which are reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. Let me check. Relation R is 1 1 2 2 3 3. The number of relations 1 1 1 2 1 3 ये सारे लिख लिए बेटा. A is given 1 2 3. 1 2 3 के साथ इसके लिखे हैं 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1. Consider a relation R containing 1 2 and 1 3 which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. So it is 1 1. पहले तो सारे लिख लिए जितने थे, फिर जिनमें 1 2 और 1 3 आया वो लिए. नो रिलेशन आर इज रिफ्लेक्सिव क्योंकि 1 1 आ रहा है, 2 2 आ रहा है, 3 3 आ रहा है. सिमिलरली सिमेट्रिक चेक करते हैं. 1 2 आ रहा है तो 2 1 भी आ रहा है, 1 3 आ रहा है तो 3 1 भी आ रहा है. सो इट इज़ ऑल्सो सिमेट्रिक. ट्रांसिटिव नहीं है क्योंकि 3 1 आ रहा है, 3 1 1 2 आ रहा है, 3 2 नहीं आ रहा. 3 2 does not belong to. If we add pair 3 2 and 2 3 then the relation R is transitive. Means जब हम इसकी 1 1 1 2 1 3 2 1 2 2 2 3 3 1 3 2 3 3 कर देंगे इसको, then we will have the function reflexive also. So here we are having option. Now the question was, if A is a number of relation containing 1 2 1 3 which are reflexive and symmetric but not transitive. Not transitive में 3 2 नहीं लिया. 3 2 and 2 3 जो है वो पेयर नहीं है. सो ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट. ऑप्शन ए इज़ करेक्ट. थैंक यू.